It's the short way.
He's pretty straight here too.
Did you hear something?